Oh my god. I was just about to start recording and that came across. What? Hey guys, it's Ali Chat here. How you doing? This is this is the inaugural video for my channel. Thought I'd just have a little bit of fun mucking around with iMovie, and whilst everybody else sort of has their own sort of little gimmick, you know, coffee and trains, that sort of thing, I'm gonna introduce you to Nachos and Trains, and goes beautifully with a can of Coke. Let's get on with it. I'll show you how to make some really cheap nachos within about 2 minutes. So how this all started was, I was feeling a bit cold, a bit hungry, and the thunder started coming in. I'm like, nah, I'm not going out to get takeaway. Screw that for a joke. Nachos. Oh, craving nachos. So what do? I turned to my cheapest and best recipe. See, then I had that thought, why not share it with the rest of the world? So this is how that video came to be. What are you going to need? Well, you're going to need corn chips, nom, and salsa, even more nom. I'm not a big fan of spice, so I went with the mild, but you can have a bit of fun with that if you want. And, oh, mustn't forget, most important ingredient. Fridge. Nommy, nommy, nommy. Cheese. Ooh, tasty cheese. Tasty cheese. You also need a microwave safe dish. I'm not going to chuck that on the table. Put that down carefully. Okay, step 1. Corn chippies. Nommy, nommy, nommy. Get into my belly. A quick note to the younger players here. Don't eat all the chips before you've actually made the nachos. Trust me, I find that out the hard way. Salsa. Ooh. Spoon. And make it as liberal or as heavy as you like. Next is the cheese. Nommy, nommy, nommy. Get yourself a good handful of that stuff. Oh yeah. Let's not be wussy about this. Time to go epic. And now with our epic. Woo, woo, woo. Epic nachos we take to the microwave. Off you go. And we set the timer. 1 minute should do. I get bored sometimes, so I stare at the magnets on my fridge. Shout out to the guys who invented these. I can't remember them off the top of my head right now, but I got this off Wish. Cost me a couple of dollars, not very much. And it's a great little stand which folds up and you can stick your phone on it. Tra-la, magic. And I've used this for many videos. It's a great little tool once you fold it up. So you just flatten them out, swap that round. Oh, now I've broken it. Magic. And it will fit perfectly in with your other credit cards in any credit card size pocket. Check it out, fellas. Yep, definitely rocking the messy bun. Something different. Sometimes I just have fun looking at the different types of Wi-Fi channels there are. Please don't steal my Wi-Fi. Samsung dryer and washer. What the hell do you need Wi-Fi for? What else we got here? The Bat Cave. Oh, I know where Batman is now. Are you freaking serious? Okay, in case you can't tell, I'm a pretty impatient kind of girl, so don't ever leave me waiting. I thought I'd give you a quick tour of my display cabinet here. There's my scale stuff, my HO iron ore stuff, some Indian Pacific stuff, and some collector stuff. I still collect vehicles in 1/64 or close to, so... Wait a minute, who's that? Jerry, you're not a train, what are you doing in there? It's telling me it's done. So much cheese. Oh, if you guys could smell this. Ooh. Nummy, nummy, nummy. Nummy, 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 nummy. Nummy, nummy, nummy. Look at that. How good. Can it get better than that? Look at that. Oh yeah, how good. You know what else nachos make? Good spoons. Kind of. No! Alright, fine. Okay, this is failing epically. Gotcha. Come here, Mr. Tomato. Oh, I'm gonna have hella sticky fingers now. Okay, for those of you who stuck around to the end, enjoyed that little bit, want to see more of me, don't forget to check the links down below to the Back on Track channel. I'm on Trackside every Saturday from 10 US Eastern Standard Time. I'll get that right in a minute. And also Random Trackside Beans. If you want to see a Random Trackside Beans, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little bell icon, because you know that's my favourite saying and I'm never going to miss a beat on that one unless someone beats me to it. Anyway, that's it from me for now. Cheers, and I'll see you around. So, how good was that? Cheap, simple, easy, and... oh my god, there's another blooper. Come on.